welcome to Tutorati Kids. My name is Shivani and you are studying mathematics with me. So we have started a new chapter by the name linear pair of equations in two variables, and we saw its standard form and three different methods of trying to obtain its solutions. Okay, so today we are going to be studying the fourth method, that is the graphical concept or the graphical method of obtaining solutions of simultaneous equations. Now before jumping directly to the graphical method, let's try to understand a little bit about graphs. Okay, so this is something that you've already been studying since lower standards, but it is a reminder that you should not be forgetting a few things when you are mapping it on a graph. So this is normally from your board point of view, so that you get full marks when you're trying to solve your graph. Things that you remember are lines with proper coordinates. You should be drawing your lines where you have proper coordinates solved and written. Okay, then the proper axis, origin and scale. These three things are supposed to be mentioned on a graph paper, alright, or you'll be losing marks for it. Now this is normally how your graph looks. So this is a rough prototype, but there are three things that have to be mentioned, that is x dash axis, y dash axis, an origin, a clearly marked origin, and a scale. When you're solving simultaneous equations in two variables, this scale is common through and through. Okay, this scale is common through and through. Fine. Then what happens? Then you draw linear equations represent a straight line, right? Represent a straight line. So now these straight lines can be drawn on your graphs. So two equations are solved simultaneously, hence we get two lines on a graph paper, and they are supposed to be intersecting somewhere. Now see, say for example, this is first line and this is the second line. There's a point of intersection. So this point of intersection is the solution. This is the solution. So can you see the point? Okay, and where is it located? -3 and 4. Now when we are talking about a graph, always remember the x coordinate is supposed to be mentioned first. So here the coordinates of your point will be -3, 4. Okay, the x coordinate, the y coordinate. Is this clear? Alright. Now we are going to move on to the graphical method and actually try solving one example with the help of a graph. Alright, let's move on to the graphical method. Okay, let's move on to the graphical method. We have been given with two equations, two simultaneous equations. Okay, they are x plus 2y is equals to 6 and 2x plus y is equals to 6. Now we are going to try to solve this. We are going to take one equation at a time, just one equation at a time. Let's take the first equation, x plus 2y is equals to 6. Now I am going to build three rows, three columns. किसके लिए? First I am going to write the variable x, then I am going to write the variable y, and then the coordinates, which is x, y. First column में क्या होगा? Variable x, variable y, and then the coordinates. उसके आगे दो columns में क्या होगा? Now in this equation I will assume the value of one variable, obtain the value of the second variable, and get a point. Okay, क्या समझ में आया? कुछ भी नहीं. Let's try to take an example. मैंने x की वैल्यू को कंसिडर किया 0. कहाँ से आया? मेरी मर्जी से आया. I just randomly picked a number. So the first value that I picked for x is 0. So let us consider x is equals to 0. Then what is the value of y? Coming back to the equation. When x is equals to 0, the equation becomes 0 plus 2y is equals to 6. Is this how your equation becomes? And then you can obtain the value of y, which is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So y की value हो गई 3. ये कहाँ पे लिखोगे? Right below your 0. Okay, and then the point will be 0, 3. X variable first, y variable next. Okay, ये हो गया first. Now let us consider y is equals to 0. क्यों? My choice. You can use any variable, you can use any value. Just मैंने 0 choose किया. Okay, now y की जगह I will write 0. Okay, When y is equals to 0, coming back to the equation becomes y plus 2 times 0 is equals to 6. x की वैल्यू पता है? नहीं. 2 times 0 is 0 equals to 6. तो x की वैल्यू क्या हुई? 6. Where will this value go? Here. The value will come here. And that's the point. Okay. Now, first equation हो गया. But do we have just one equation? No. We have one more equation that needs to be solved. Similar method में उसको solve करेंगे. Now, taking the second equation, okay, taking the second equation, which is 2x plus y equals to 6. इसका क्या करेंगे? Again, 3 rows, 3 columns. First column में क्या होगा? The variable x, the variable y, and then the coordinates. ठीक है? Again, proceeding in the same manner with the rest of the 2 columns. Assume one value of one variable, find out the value of the other variable, and put them in the coordinate. Okay? Now, again मैंने x की value 0 से शुरू किया. Let us assume the value of x is 0. So when x is 0 क्या होता है? When x is 0, your equation, now this is your equation, यहाँ पे 2 times 0 plus y equals to 6. 2 times 0 is 0, ये eliminate हो गया, y is equals to 6. This is the answer. ये कहाँ पे जाएगा? Below your 0. So the coordinates will be 0, 6. Is this easy to understand? Excellent. Now, next value. Next value के लिए क्या consider करेंगे? Y is equals to 0. Naturally, my first go-to choice. Y is equals to 0. So coming to the equation, when y is equals to 0, what happens? The equation becomes 2 times x remains, y की जगह 0 आएगा, is equals to 6. Then the value of x can be obtained as 3. ये 3 कहाँ पे जाएगा? Here in the column. Okay, so यहाँ पे आएगा 3, and then 3, 0 is your point. Okay, ये coordinate हो गया. Now, in points का क्या करना है? Why do we have the coordinates? Now, if we have the coordinates, obviously these are going to go on your graph paper. So, now let us plot the points on the graph paper. But दोनों tables को mix नहीं करना है. Take one table at a time. जैसे one equation at a time लिया था, वैसे one table at a time. Okay? So, this is your graph. क्या क्या है इसमें? X, Y axis, x dash axis, y dash axis, and then the scale, and also a clearly marked origin, right? ये चीजें compulsory है आपके ग्राफ में. Now taking the first table, first table का first point क्या है? 0,3. 0,3 कौन से एक्सिस पे आएगा? On y axis. Can you see the point here? Can you see this point here? 0,3. Okay. Point mark किया तो उसके coordinates side में लिख दो. Okay, it becomes easier and clearer for you to understand what is going on in your sum. Once you mark the point, write down the coordinates. There is one more point in our table. Okay, so that point goes on x-axis. 6,0 मतलब the point goes on x-axis. Write down the coordinates. इसका क्या करना है? Now, do you remember when we were introducing the graph concept, we said that simultaneous equation is represented on a graph by a straight line. मतलब इन दोनों पॉइंट से पास होने वाली एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो. Write down the name of the line. What is the name of the line? The equation. The equation is the name of the line. So x plus 2y is equals to 6 is your line. First table खत्म हो गया. Okay, one table at a time. It reduces confusion. Okay, second table. Second table का first point 0,6. 0,6 is obviously on the y-axis again. Write down the coordinates. Second point 3,0. 3,0 will be on the x-axis. Write down its coordinates. Again, graph concept. Simultaneous equations या फिर linear equation in two variable. Graph पे कैसे represent होगा? With a line. So draw a line passing through these two points. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. Name the line. What is the name of the line? The equation. The equation is the name of the line. So 2x plus y equals to 0 is the name of your line. Okay. Can you see these two lines are intersecting somewhere? these two lines are intersecting somewhere. Matlab there is a point of intersection. What do you make of this point of intersection? That point of intersection ka coordinates nikalo, which is 2, 2 in this case. That becomes your solution. That becomes your solution. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 is the solution of your given simultaneous equations. Is this clear? The graphical method. Again, as a reminder, I will tell you again, axis, origin, scale, compulsory. Mark the points, write the coordinate. Mark the points, write the coordinate. Draw a line and name the line. Okay? Line draw करने के बाद उसको name करो please. One equation at a time, one table at a time. Confusion नहीं करना है. चारों points को mark करके कहाँ से line बनानी है? Do not confuse yourself. Okay? Is this clear to you? Excellent. So that is all for today, and that is all with the graphical methods. Now we have completed all the 4 methods of obtaining solutions to your simultaneous equations. Okay, we will be going into details of more concepts in the next lecture, so stay tuned. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the button and also the bell icon with it. Thank you.